We have a severe thunderstorm warning in southern Mobile County, just south of I-65 and I-10, south of Theodore. Lots of lightning, gusty winds up to 60 miles an hour, heavy downpours. Peak heating hits. We get several showers and thunderstorms. Some of these could be strong or briefly severe. We'll keep you updated on that. With gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours, we are expecting some flooding today, so be on the lookout for that. Producing gusty winds, so that's 60-mile-an-hour winds. Severe criteria is 58 miles per hour. So we're just above severe criteria, but that doesn't mean it's not dangerous. So this could cause tree damage, this could cause roof damage, this could cause things flying about. And there is a potential that it could develop a low pressure and it could turn into a tropical low pressure. But look at those percentages, 10% chance. So we move into Saturday, you can finally start to see the circulation there. And then as we move to Saturday night, it starts to move inland into our neighborhood. And then it kind of takes a northeast track. It's a really weird system we got going here. It is projected to move down into the northern Gulf by midweek. And because the Gulf is so warm and moist, it really feeds tropical systems. So the update on the tropics is there is no update, which is great news for our area. We were watching this clump of clouds here. We were just watching a low pressure area that came from a cold front that passed by, but the National Hurricane Center said there is no chance that this will turn into a tropical situation for us, and that is great news. Usually during the summertime, we have a southerly wind off the Gulf of Mexico, bringing in that heat, bringing in that moisture, but because of this northerly wind, it's going to keep us a little cooler and a little less humid for the next couple of days. Now let's get right into it. Here's your 4th of July forecast. 20% chance you will get rained on this afternoon, and that is mainly above Interstate 10, but look at that temperature, 95 degrees. It is steamy out there. So why is it so humid out there? The dew point's the culprit. 77 in Mobile, 77 in Calvert. So when we get into the mid to upper 70s, that's what makes it so muggy outside, and that contributes to our heat indices. Now these aren't the temperatures that are on your thermometer. These are temperatures of what it feels like outside. This is the heat index. It's the temperature plus the humidity. Here's a live look at your radar, where the northern half of our viewing area has gotten a couple of dribbles of rain this morning. It's just that off and on drizzle, shower-like, not quite thunderstorms, and that's coming this afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-80s, sunny skies with a south wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Water temperatures 87. It's pretty warm, but you may as well get in it because it is a low risk of rip currents. UV index is very high, so slather on that sunscreen. So we are under a heat advisory. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued it, and it is valid from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. It's a big chunk of your Saturday. I know you want to spend a lot of it outdoors today. Look at this sun beaming already. Official sunrise was 5:52 this morning. Let's dig into your headlines. Hold on to your hats, people. We have a lot to talk about.
Meteorologist Carithers with your first alert storm team forecast.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. We're taking a live look over Dolphin Island. Guys, check this sunrise out, and if you can squint, and I'll move out of the way, you could see some offshore showers as well. Here's another one from Orange Beach, another beautiful sunrise. This one's live streaming on our Facebook page. If you want to go ahead and check that out, you can also see some cumulonimbus clouds here, some plumes of them. You could see offshore showers as well. Otherwise, a calm and beautiful morning. Headlines: afternoon showers and thunderstorms just like we saw yesterday. Muggy with seasonable heat. This looks like August headlines to me. We are in the heart of summer. Now let's talk about tropics, get that out of the way. Today we have been monitoring this area of low pressure just east of the Lesser Antilles Islands, and it has gone down in confidence that it will turn into anything 10% within 2 and 5 days. It was 40% yesterday, so it is becoming more disorganized and moving into more hostile environment, so nothing to impact our forecast. Now closer to home, temperatures around our area: 73 in Mobile, 73 in Gulf Shores as well, 70 in Jay, 68 in Crestview, so it's still pretty comfortable out there, but it's going to warm up quick. Check out these highs today: 90 in Mobile, upper 80s along that coastline, reaching 90 in Pensacola today, 93 in Evergreen, 90 in Grove Hill. We could zoom in on those coastal counties if you're headed to the beach today. 86 in Dolphin Island. Make sure you dodge those shower and thunderstorms if you're headed to the beach. 91 in Gulf Shores. If you're getting some early morning fishing in Pensacola, 90 degrees is your high today. 88 in Navarre. Okaloosa County shows 88 in Mariester, 91 in Crestview, and 86 in Destin. Here's your dew points. Pretty muggy out there, 72 in Mobile, 75 in Pensacola. So this is pretty seasonal for this time of year, maybe a little bit below average, but it still feels pretty humid out there. On our comfort index, some of us in the humid range, some of us in the uncomfortable range. Either way, it still feels sticky out there. Next 12 hours, temperature-wise, looks like this. I think it'll be a little bit warmer than 87 today. You may feel 87 if you're right along the beaches, but if you're inland, it's going to feel more like the lower 90s today. Now, let's check out your southeast radar. We've got splotches of rain here. Texas, as well as Georgia, and off the coast of the Carolinas in the Atlantic. But closer to our neighborhood, we already have some coastal showers this morning. Pensacola, already some thunderstorms moving into the area, as well as Gulf Shores. We saw that on our camera this morning. We could zoom in on those for you. So check your radar before going out this morning, wherever you're headed. As well as Mississippi counties, we have some coastal showers as well there. Let's plan out the rest of your morning. I think this overdoes it a little bit around 8 a.m. this morning. It's just the model's trying to show some coastal showers like we've been seeing this morning. Around 12 p.m., just some clouds in the News 5 area. And then once we hit peak heating, we know what that does. The showers and thunderstorms pop up like they did yesterday. Some could be strong with gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. So doing thunder wars, go indoors, that's what we like to say. Check your radar before heading out today. 6 p.m., those start to go away. All in all, a 50% chance you'll need your Green & Phillips umbrella today. Up to 60% tomorrow, so have your umbrella on hand for today and tomorrow. Let's check out the rest of your week. Like I said, you bump up your rain chance to 60% tomorrow, 40% starting on Tuesday, and that temperature increases to around 93 by the end of your work week.